So please welcome the CIO of Phoenix Global, Jeff Suellentrop. So, welcome, Jeff. So, tell us a little bit about Phoenix Global.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Yeah, Phoenix Global, we're a world leader in metal and mining services. So what does that really mean? We're embedded, our customers are steel mills around the world. We go into the steel mills, run all the heavy equipment, and we basically process all the byproducts of steel making. So the recycling process, the preparation process, and really have a key role in the sustainability of the whole steel making industry. One thing a lot of people don't know is almost over 90+% of the US steel industry is from recycled steel. And we're very proud of our innovations and our advancements in that sustainability process.
Awesome. And maybe can you share a little bit about your technology story, because you were growing almost too fast, right? A few years ago, and then maybe you share that story, and then what do you do with technology?
Yeah, so it's a fairly interesting story. So 21, 23, we opened up 8 sites over that 2-year period. And our business is a very capital-intensive business, lots of heavy equipment, growing very, very fast, and obviously with some economic headwinds of inflation and some of those things. I actually joined the company in early March 23 in bankruptcy, because we'd grown so fast, and we hadn't really, the industry really hadn't embraced digital and all the operations you needed to move that fast.
Wow, that's amazing. And then what did you do? So is that where Cloud ERP came in, and how did you react?
Yeah, so a lot of people ask me, I was like, you joined a company in bankruptcy, you must be a little bit crazy, and maybe I am, but we really had to act fast, and the leadership team really wanted to reimagine how we do business, and so we got rid of, our goal was to bring in, we selected SAP GROW, all best practice implementation, to replace every system in the entire company. Now there's other subsystems, but we basically replaced every subsystem, get rid of the paper and pencil, do best practice, and not only do best practice for simplification, but level up. So the best practices were a lot better than some of the existing process, especially when you grow that fast. So it was a huge lift, and we actually went live within 8 months of initiating that process.
That's a nice period of time, 8 months. So where are you today?
So today, we're live and we're still deploying. We've gotten rid of all the paper and pen. We've built out our full data model. So that's one of the other big unlocks. We have the ability with a standardized, out-of-the-box, core product. We've deployed to several of our sites. We're still deploying, and then we're continuously innovating on top of that. So one of the big things that we've got and we've learned through this process is, obviously with all this heavy equipment, we use SAP maintenance to maintenance all of our equipment, do our own maintenance. We've returned millions and millions of dollars back into the business. Our profitability, utilization's up. We have some other AI models as well that are embedded in there as well, and we've just scratched the surface there.
That's so impressive, Jeff. Jeff, I would say that's a true story of growth, and thanks so much for sharing it here with the audience. Thank you, Jeff.
Thank you.
Thank you. Big hand of applause.